Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So, today we're gonna be doing jollof rice. That jollof rice for your next event. That jollof rice your kids are going to love. So, let's get right into the recipe. So, fam, let's chop and blend the ingredients we're gonna use to marinate our goat meat. Once your ingredients have blended, put it in your goat meat and you could allow it for an hour to marinate, or if you don't have time, just go ahead and boil it. So fam, set your goat meat aside and go ahead and prepare your ingredients for your stew. So fam, we're gonna put oil in our pot and go ahead and add in half chopped onion and fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the onion has fried enough, add about 300 grams of tomato paste and keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. So fam, while our tomato is getting ready, let's check our goat meat to make sure our stock doesn't dry up. I'm sure a lot of you are saying that the oil is too much, but guess what? We can make use of that oil. So what we're gonna do is take some of the oil and fry our goat meat. But if you don't want to fry your goat meat with it, you could still store it for future use. After taking out all the oil you need, pour in your blended spices and stir continuously. Add your dry spices to your stew and let it continue to cook while you wash your rice. Add your rice to the stew and stir until well incorporated, and add your goat meat stock and cover for about 30 minutes. Our rice has been cooking for about 30 minutes. Open your pot and stir your rice and add in some chopped onions and stir until well incorporated. At this point, fam, you don't need to add any more water. Just cover your pot with some foil paper and cook for another 12 minutes. So fam, cover your pot again for about 10 minutes and your rice is going to be ready. So fam, my rice is ready. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and drop your comment below. See you next week. God bless you. Bye.